kids, welcome to VEDV publication. I am Raksha and I'll be your host. Let's explore this world of computers. More on keyboard. A keyboard is like a magical gateway to the world of computers. It has lots of keys, each with a special purpose. Let's explore some of the important keys on the keyboard that you should know. Are you excited? Let's start. Hello little friends, welcome back again. Today we are going to learn about the primary input device of the computer, without which we can't write on the keyboard. Yes, that's the keyboard and its keys. Alphabet keys. The first set of keys we have are the alphabet keys. They are the ones that have all the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. 26 letters in 3 rows. First row, QWERTYUIOP. Second row, ASDFGHJKL. Third row, ZCVBNM. These keys help us type words and sentences just like we do when we are writing with pencil or pen. Number keys. Next, we have the number keys. They are the keys that have numbers from 0 to 9. These keys are used for typing numbers in math problems or when we want to write down our age or phone number. The number keys are at 2 places on the keyboard. Function key. Now let's talk about the function key. These are the special keys at the top of the keyboard, labeled F1, F2 and so on. They have different functions depending on the program or software you are using. They can help you do things like save a file, print a document, or even play a game. Spacebar. Here comes a very important key, the spacebar. It's the long key at the bottom of the keyboard. When you press it, it creates a space between words. It's like a little pause for some words. Symbol key. On keyboard, we have not only letters and numbers, but also some special keys called symbol keys. These keys have different symbols on them that represent various things. Exclamatory sign, @ sign, hashtag, dollar, ampersand, asterisk, etc. You can use this symbol key by pressing the shift key along with number key. Enter key. Last but not the least, we have the enter key. This is the big key at the bottom right corner of the keyboard. When you press it, it tells the computer to move to the next line or to perform an action. It's like having a command to the computer, saying, "Okay, do this." Arrow key. On a computer keyboard, we have some special keys called arrow key. These keys have arrows pointing in different directions and help us to move around on the screen. Let's learn about these amazing arrow keys. Up arrow. First, we have the up arrow key. It has an arrow pointing upwards. When you press the key, it helps you move the cursor or highlight things on the screen in an upward direction. It's like an elevator button for going up. Down key. Next, we have the down arrow key. It has an arrow pointing downwards. When you press this key, it helps you move the cursor or scroll down on the web page. It's like a magical button for going down. Left arrow. Now let's talk about the left arrow key. It has an arrow pointing to the left. When you press this key, it helps you move the cursor or navigate to the left side of the screen. It's like a little time machine for going back. Right arrow. Last but not the least, we have right arrow key. It has an arrow pointing to the right. When you press this key, it helps you move the cursor or navigate to the right side of the screen. It's like a super fast forward button. Conclusion. And that's it, my fantastic friends. We have explored some of the different keys on the keyboard. Remember, these keys help us communicate. Remember, these keys help us communicate with computers, type words and perform actions. Isn't that amazing? So, the next time you see a keyboard, you will know what those keys are for. Practice typing your name or some simple words. It's a great way to become familiar with a keyboard and improve your computer skills. Thank you for watching. See you in the next chapter.